Hello. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to automate the onboarding system for a new team member in network marketing business. So for this, there are two phases. One is preparation, okay, and the another is setting up Kajabi tool, okay, because I use Kajabi for my entire network marketing online system. So it is a world's best tool, okay. I would suggest this. Now, in the preparation phase, first what you need to do is to create 5 to 7 induction program videos. So I have also done the same. What I've done is I have created some videos like considering that if a new team member joins a team, then day one, what he should know, day two, day three, day four, day five, he should have proper understanding about the company marketing plan, our team structure, how we work, everything. Okay, so just shoot these 5 to 7 videos. It may be 3 videos. It's up to you. And then also sometimes we also want to share some document in PDF format like product catalog and recommended product list, all this, I mean, in the form of a PDF or CSV format, all these kind of document. Second thing is you can keep all these documents in one place and upload this into a Google Drive folder. Okay, so just do these things first, and then let's go to the Kajabi tool, how you can set it up in Kajabi. So first step would be to create a product. Okay, once the preparation phase is done, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my Kajabi, okay, Kajabi tool. So in Kajabi tool, I am just logging in through my credential, and number one step would be to create a product. Okay, so you can go to products, okay, go to products, and then click on all products, and then you can click on new product. So this way, and then click on course, okay, click on course and click on get started. So with this you can create a new product. Okay, so I'm just for a demo purpose, I'm using this one, TLF main training. So this is a product which I've created, and under this you can click on add contact, add content. You can add a some module, or you can add a lesson or quiz. Okay, so some module will be the categorization like induction program, then lead generation training, product detailing training, and there's some more folders you can create like this. And under this you can upload multiple lessons. Okay, so this way I have uploaded some multiple lessons here. And also what I've done is I've also added a video called download important files, and here it is a simple few seconds video, and here I'm saying that okay, click on the click link in video description to download files. And here this link is basically a Google Drive folder location where all the important business related files are available in a Google Drive. So which means that a new team member who joins a team, first video will be to how to access all the important files. Okay, and also remaining all videos, these all are videos how to do one-to-one meeting with a prospect. Okay, so I've given proper understanding about this. So all these videos are uploaded here, so if any new team member joins the team, he can see all these things in a proper sequential manner. So step number one is to create a product. Then you can upload the lessons, as I just told you, by adding a click on lesson. And also there is an option to publish this content, okay, or you can keep it in draft format, okay, like this. Okay, so you can see all these things. Now, next step is to create email sequence. Now, if a new team member joins and if we are giving this access to this product, so you must also have a email sequence. Like you suppose you have written some emails for next 10 days. Okay, if a new team member joins a team, day one, what you have to do, day two, what you have to do. So what you can go do is go to email and click on email sequence, and here you can say, okay, onboarding. Example, TLF onboarding emails. Okay, and click on save. Okay, and then I click on classic editor, and then this is day one. Now suppose zero means immediately when we grant access to this product, then immediately this email will be triggered. So this way you can write multiple emails. And so this is the next step, create an email sequence. Now next step is to create an offer. So to create an offer, go to sales and then click on offer. Okay, and click on new offer. So I'm just opening one of the offer which I've already created. Okay, like this one, group training system. Okay, so in offer, what you have to do, you have to tag a product with the offer. So I have tagged this product which we have already created, where we have uploaded all the lessons, all the videos. So just tag that product with this offer. Okay, and then in next step would be to add automation in the offer, which means what we have to do when a new team member joins a team, we have already uploaded some videos in the product, and we have tagged this product with the offer. Now, when a new team member joins a team, we just have to grant offer of this. We just have to grant this offer. That's it. Okay, and here we can enable some automation. Like if the offer is purchased, okay, or if the offer is granted, then add a tag. Okay, so suppose if I want to add a tag like this is a TLF member. So if we grant this offer, automatically this person will be tagged as a TLF member, okay, or your team name. Okay, you can add a new tag. Another automation I want to add is if offer is granted, then subscribe to an email sequence, and the email sequence which we have just added, okay, TLF onboarding emails. So you can write 5-10 emails, and every day 1, day 2, day 3, that person is going to receive some emails. Okay, so this way, this is a automation which you need to do, and then click on save. Okay, so this is the offer which we have just created. So okay, so you have just enabled the automation. Now next step is if any new team member joins a team, simply go to contacts. Okay, so you got a new team member, click on add contact. Okay, and then there are two options. One is you can upload the file in the CSV format, or else what you can do, you can just click on add contact, click on add new contact, and suppose we got a new team member, Rahul Mishra. Okay, and then his email ID like this, and then click on grant offer, and ultimately what we need to do, we need to grant offer of this the offer which we have just created. So when we grant offer to this person, automatically this person is going to receive his email ID and password, okay, his password credential to actually access this course. And also we can tag this person with TLF, which however we have already enabled the tag, okay, in the automation which we have done in the offer level. And then you can click on subscribe to email sequence, which means this person is going to receive our emails, and automatically he will get his ID and password to log in. Next step would be this person can also download Kajabi mobile app. Okay, so good thing about Kajabi tool is our team members, they can download the mobile app, and they can watch this entire course using iOS device or Android device. So that is a great thing. Okay, so this gives a great learning experience for our new team members. So send email, and later on you can anytime you can send email to your team. You can communicate with your team members, and you can also check the progress of your team members. Okay, so to check the progress about how much they have done, how much work they have done, how much videos they have watched. So what you can do, you can go to products again, and click on the product. Like suppose this is TLF stage 1, click on the product, and then here you can see the progress, and then you can see how much video, how many times people have logged in, how much video they have watched, the product progress. So this way you can see, okay, this team member has not started, this team member has, Himanshu Batra has watched this much of video, all these things you can see. So if I click on Himanshu Batra, so I can see the entire details, which actually which course, which videos this person has watched, and how much. Okay, so 75% completed. Got it? So this way we can track the progress of our team members. We can actually automate our onboarding process like this, and we can keep communicating with our team members using emails and proper tagging system using Kajabi. So that's a wonderful benefits or features which are available in Kajabi tool. Now, if in case you want a similar system to be set up for you, if you're not technical, you want to talk to me about this, then click on the link below this video, and you can book a free consultation call. And also, if you want to explore in and out about automation in network marketing business, I'm inviting you for my next webinar, which is all about how to automate network marketing business. So check out webinar link in the video description, and also how you can book a free consultation call with me. You'll find both the links in this video description. Okay, I hope you found this useful. Like the video. If you have any question, use the comment box below, and also subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this entire video. Thank you.